Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, December 10th, 2021. It is 1:04 and 26 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, plant-based diet. So let's hop to it here. A diet rich in plant-based products reduces the risk of cognitive impairment in the elderly. Metabolomics to study the impact of diet on health. Date, December 9, 2021. Source, University of Barcelona. The study analyzes the relationship between the metabolism of dietary components, intestinal microbiota, endogenous metabolism, and cognitive impairment. What researchers analyze in the cohorts under study is the modulating role of the diet in the risk of suffering cognitive impairment. The results show a significant association between these processes and certain metabolites. The results reveal a protective association between metabolites derived from cocoa, coffee mushrooms, and red wine, microbial metabolism of polyphenol-rich foods, apple, cocoa, green tea, blueberries, oranges or pomegranates, and the cognitive impairment in the elderly. The analysis of plasma samples indicated that some metabolites are related to the progression of cognitive impairment and dementia. For example, 2-phenyl-glycine and 3-methalanine, which are biomarkers of coffee and cocoa consumption, had a protective profile, while saccharide, derived from the consumption of artificial sweeteners, is associated with a damaging role. The study of the relationship between cognitive impairment, the metabolism of the microbiota, and food and endogenous metabolism is essential to develop preventive and therapeutic strategies that help to take care of our cognitive health. Therefore, changes in lifestyle and diet are decisive as a strategy to prevent cognitive deterioration and its progression in neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and other dementias. A higher intake of fruits, vegetables, and plant-based foods provides polyphenols and other bioactive compounds that can help reduce the risk of cognitive decline due to aging. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.